we're going to continue from where we stopped on this mechanical drawing. We've answered question A and B that ask us to draw the given front elevation, the sectional plan. So I now want to answer question C that says that we should draw the sectional elevation taking on the line AA, looking in direction of the arrows. So where is the arrow that they are talking about? So this is the arrow that they are talking about. So we are looking at it in this direction. So then, this is the line AA that we're asked to make use of as a cutting plane. So we're asked to make use of this line. Okay. So so what we need to do. So we are expected to we are going to redraw this, and we are going to put in some things. We are going to put in this pulley and also this spindle and the washer. We are going to put them there. So that's what I'm going to do right. So to draw the sectional view, so some parts will not be there. We are not going to see this this part. We are not going to see it there, and we are going to see the inner part of this object. And just look at the way I'm going to do it. So so what we are going to do now, so I will need to transfer this. So this line, so I'm going to extend it here. So I want to draw the sectional front elevation here. Okay, and we should not forget that we are making use of half of the given dimensions. So I will extend this. So this center line also will be extended. Okay, so I'm supposed to extend this line. Okay, and I'll also extend this. So this also we extend this. Okay, so now, so I'm going to draw a center line here. Okay, so now, so I'm going to transfer this measurement. So I'm going to transfer them here. So this is 82. So 82 by 2, that is 41. So I will take a measurement of 41 to the left side. So 41 to the right side, that is so that will give us 82. Okay, so I'm going to take it one by one. So so just look at the way I'm doing it here. Okay, all right, and all right, what I'm going to do is, because of time, so I'm going to replicate some things here. So whatever will not be there, I will not put it there. You will see it the way I'm going to do. Just like we are going to replicate this, because we're asked to draw the sectional front elevation. So just like we want to replicate what we have here. Okay, so I'm going to do that while I pause the video. So when I'm done, I will come and show you the next thing that we are going to do. So you see how it will look by the time I am done. So it's what you can do. Just look at it when I'm done. So I'll pause the video and do it now. All right, so this is what I've done so far. So we need to have something like this. So just like we remove some things from here and put it here. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do now is to put in the pulley and also to put the washer and then the spindle, pulley spindle. So I'm going to put it there. So the distance from here to here for the pulley is 44. So it's 44. So that distance from here to here, and the total distance from here down, so is 100. That is from here to here is 100 millimeters. So I'm going to put it there right now. So we are dividing the dimensions by 2 as we have done before. So the diameter is 100, as you can see here, from here to here is 100. That is diameter from here to here, and the thickness is 44. And with other things that we have here, so we have to look very well. So all these hidden parts, all these hidden parts are going to be visible, so we are going to make them visible. So I'm going to do that. So let's start with so from the center here, so from the center, so I'm going to take a measurement of, so if you divide 100 by 2, that is 25. So I take a measurement, so this is center line. Okay, so we have the center line here. So from the center here, I'll take a measurement of 25 millimeters up and 25 millimeters down. So this is 25 down. Now we take 25 up. So this is 50. So here I will draw so horizontal line. So from here to here. So I'll also come up here and draw a horizontal line like this. Okay, so the thickness is 44. So instead of 44, so we take 22. So 22 by 2, that is 11. So we take 11 to the right side, to the left side, and also 11 to the right side, making 22 millimeters. So that's it. So here I'm going to draw a vertical line. So I'll draw a vertical line, and here also I will draw a vertical line like this. Okay, so all right, so before I continue with the pulley itself, so let me put the washer at once. So the thickness of the washer is 3 millimeters by 2, so that will give us 1.5. So so this space that I have here, I'm just going to use it. So I'm just going to use it. So, and the width, the diameter of the washer, the spindle washer, so the diameter is 32. Diameter is 32. So 32 by 2, that's 16, and 16 by 2, that is 8. So from the center, 8 by, okay, so I'll take 8 up and 8 down. So 8 millimeters up and 8 millimeters down. So this is 8 millimeters here. Now we take 8 millimeters. So 8 millimeters up. So this is 8 millimeters. So someone has to, so we need to open our eyes. So I've created the washer here. So okay, so that's the washer, as you can see there. So and then, so let's put the spindle. So let's put the spindle, pulley spindle there. So this is the pulley spindle. So the diameter is 18 as it is entering this hole in the washer. So the diameter of this hole in the washer is this small hole is 18 millimeters. So it will enter. So and as we have here, from here to here is also 18. From here to here is also 18. So we have it in the, as you can see here. So this is 18 millimeters. Here, this is 18 millimeters for this hole. So the spindle pulley is entering here. So this is 18 from here to here. So and the length from here to here is 122. So 122 by 2. So that will give us so that is 61. So 61 millimeters. So I'm going to take a measurement of, so from the center, so 61 by 2. So that will give us that's 3.5. So 3.5, that's 30.5 millimeters. So I take a measurement of let's make it 31. So this is 31. So 31, just let's make it 62. So because that value, so this is 62 here. So I'm going to draw. So here I will take a vertical line down here. Okay, so I'll also do the same thing here. So we are constructing the spindle. Okay, So now, so for the spindle, so a so we have a fillet here. So, and we are told that from here to here, okay, we have a hole here. We have a hole here. Distance from here to here is 3 millimeters. 3 millimeters. So what I'll just do is just to take what I'll just take like so for this work, so this is 1.5. I'll just take 1.5 for it to be more feasible, and here also I will take 1.5 millimeters. Okay, so here I will draw a vertical line, and I will draw a vertical line here too. Okay, and then so we have the, okay, so the angle is 45. So what I mean by angle is 45 is this. So we have here, so as you can see here, that here, so we have this angle to be 45, the chamfering or the fillet angle. So the fillet angle is 45. So I'll just use my 45 degrees square set like this. So I'm going to use a thick line at once. We also bring it here. Okay, here I also have it. So here like this. Oh no, sorry, that's not where I'm supposed to put it. So I didn't use the original diameter. So the original diameter, okay, so so it's from here, so I'm supposed to do it here. There is it. Okay, all right, so sorry, okay, I'm not supposed to, I shouldn't have rubbed this off. This is well positioned. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to okay. So mechanical drawing is technical. So this is the part of the pulley spindle that we are going to do. We have a hole. So we have a hole somewhere here. This question came from Ghana. Someone sent it to me from Ghana. So I think their own mechanical drawing is a bit complicated than ours here. I just think so. Okay. So we have a hole here. So distance from here to here is 6, and distance from here to here is also 6. So I'm just going to take what, that's 3. So I will take 3 millimeters. So 3 millimeters from here. Okay, so I will also take 3 millimeters. 3 millimeters from here. Sorry. So the 3 millimeters is from here. Okay, so I'll just use my hand to put a small hole there. Okay, so like this and like this. Okay, so I just leave it like this. So it's small. Okay, so then the next thing that we are going to do is to construct the pulley. Okay, so we have a cuff around here. We have to produce that cuff. So you have to produce that cuff, and we are to put our compass at this point, extend it here. That's how it is. So distance from here to here is 50. So they expect us to draw something like this. Okay, so it has a curve like this. So we need to do that. So I will also put it here. Also put it here and do the same thing. So from here to here like this, and from here to here. So this is what they want us to put there, and then we have some parts here. I may not produce this one. Okay, we have that from here to here is 76. Diameter from here to here is 76. So and then from here to here is 32, and then we have this. So the spindle has entered this, so I don't have to produce that again. So play, I'm going to do this while I pause the video, because all right, so this is what I've done so far. Nothing is hidden. So this is the pulley, and if you have the question with you, you will see all that we are going to see inside, because by the time we assemble, put the pulley here with the spindle, so we are going to cut part of this pulley, and also we cut the washer also. So we are going to add some parts here, so as you can see here, so those parts I'm going to add them, and then there is something here, so which I didn't put in the sectional, and in the given front elevation, is that we have a hole here. So we have a hole, a small hole here, we have it here, and then this is where it is shown in the elevation. So I didn't put it here, so we are supposed to have it here, and we are supposed to have it here, but I'm going to put it here. The diameter of that is not okay. So it is given as 8 millimeters. So 8 millimeters. So I'm going to take 2 millimeters. I need to get the center. So the center, so this is the thickness here is 5. So it's just what, 2.5. So 2.5. So I have this to be 2.5. So this is 2.5. So I will draw a vertical center line here. So I will pause the video and do it. Alright, so the next thing that we are going to do is to arch the solid surfaces or surfaces. So I'm going to start here. So this is a solid part. So okay, don't forget that we have many parts assembled here, and this is a web. So we are not going to arch this web, so don't arch it. You will see how I'm going to do it. We are not to arch the web. So this part will be arched. So you have to look at it very well so that you not make a mistake. Okay. So we are going to arch this also. So this is part of what I will arch. So this part, okay. Okay. So I will pause the video and do it. You see it when I'm done. Alright, so this is the sectional view. This is how it will look. So just look at the part that I hashed here. I hashed the solid part. This is a web. We are not to hash it. This is also a web. We are not to hash it. We also have a web here, not to be hashed, and we are not to hash the spindle, the pulley spindle. So we are not to hash it, but we need to hash the washer and this solid part of the pulley, and also this part of the main body. So it's as simple as I've shown it here. All you need to do is to practice. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Keep on practicing, and God bless you.